What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I did it. I finally made my YouTube channel, and this is my YouTube journey. I go by Lockboy Stunner, CEO of Lockboy Cinema. Quick story about me. I went to school at Los Angeles Film School in LA. I've been shooting film ever since then. I shoot music videos, I shoot short films. Got a couple movies on Tubi. I'm just a filmmaker, man, you know what I'm saying? So what my channel consists of, my channel is gonna consist of travel vlogging. You know, we're gonna be going somewhere everywhere. Right now, I'm focused on the Caribbean, so you know, we're gonna be hitting South America a lot, the islands. You know, we're gonna be hitting DR, Costa Rica, all those places, Jamaica, places like that. Still got to get y'all music videos, tutorials, the whole nine. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited, man, because you know, YouTube journey is something I always wanted to do, but I just never had the chance to get into it because, you know, it's a lot of work. You know, I be looking at everybody and I just be like, man, like, how do they crank out like all this content? But, you know, the more I watch, I don't think it's that hard. So I'm up for the challenge. I got all this film gear lying around, and plus I do a lot of stuff, so it's like, why not bring y'all into my world and let you see what I see? Because a lot of times they only see the highlight reel. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, a lot of times they might see a picture here or there, or a music video, but I know they be wanting to see more, so that's what I'm here for. So make sure y'all follow me at Lockboy Stunner, LOCKBOY STUNNA, and make sure y'all tap that like and subscribe button. I gotta get this channel up. We gotta get monetized. I gotta serve y'all content, man. So yeah, like I said, this is my journey. This is my first video introducing myself. It's probably gonna be the worst one. We're gonna grow together, and yeah, so y'all tune in, man. We dropping weekly, and stay tuned for more Lockboy Stunner.